Hello students, good morning. How are you? I hope that you are quite well at your home. Now, yesterday we discussed about activity 3. Now we are going to discuss about activity 4. Okay? Is it clear? Activity 4 is related with the electrical conductivity, high electrical conductivity, because metals are good conductor of electricity while non-metals are bad conductor of electricity. Okay, the chapter is 6, metals and non-metals. Is it clear? Now, the highly electrical conductivity present in metals. Is it clear? Now, only a single non-metals, which is graphite. Graphite is a good conductor of electricity, which is non-metals. Is it clear? What is conductor? Metal is a good conductor. Conductor means those substance which pass electrical charge inside in it or allowed to inside in it is called conductor. Clear? So now we are going to discuss this activity uh, according to the highly electrical conductivity. Is it clear? Metal is a good conductor, you know well. Okay, while non-metal is a bad conductor of electricity. Is it clear? Now, first we have to write aim to test which materials conduct electricity by using an electric wire. To test which materials conduct electricity by using an electric wire. Now, material required: a copper wire, a aluminium wire, clear, 2 iron nails, a square piece of cardboard, and piece of gold and sulfur. The um, the apparatus is shown in all apparatus is shown in figure. Is it clear? This is a bulb, wire, electric wire. Okay, according to your book, activity 4, clear? Now, whole arrangement are as shown in figure. This is bulb, electric wire, battery, cardboard, iron, nail, and electric wire. Is it clear? Now, procedure. We take first copper wire. Clear? Copper wire will connect with X or Y. X or Y, between X or Y. Join with X and Y. Then the circuit is start. The electric supply is start. Is it clear? Then bulb is glow when we connect copper wire between X and Y iron nails. It means that the copper wire is a good conductor of electricity. Next, Aluminum wire. We connect aluminum wire between X and Y. Now the bulb glow. It means that the aluminum wire is a good conductor of electricity, that is, it is a metal. Third, a piece of coal is connected between X or Y, because this wire is connected with iron nail and this wire is connected with X iron nail. So there is no wire between X and Y. Is it clear? Then after we connect coal between X and Y, the bulb does not glow. It means that coal is not a conductor of electricity, which do not conduct electricity. Coal do not conduct electricity. We observe that coal do not conduct electricity, while aluminum wire and copper wire conduct electricity. And therefore sulfur connect between X and Y nail, iron nail, the bulb does not glow. It means that it is a it is not a conductor of electricity. Is it clear? So we concluded that the metal is a good conductor of electricity, while non-metal is a bad conductor of electricity, or which do not conduct electricity. Non-metals do not conduct electricity. After this video we will discuss, we will ask some questions about this video and previous video. Okay, good day, take care.